for our vase. Look at this gorgeous flowers, beautiful. And so let's use this. They are very pretty geraniums on our vase. Maybe these two, so we can enjoy. Since we cannot be outside, we let's enjoy them inside the house. The flowers, you hear the birds. The birds are back. And that's our wishing well. And these are the gorgeous flowers. These are the flowers. It's Saturday and I am preparing our breakfast. I am making skillet, and here are the ingredients. I have eggplant here, some left over from like the week. Eggplant, peppers, tomato, and then mushroom, baby bella, and then this Argentina luncheon meat from the Filipino market. I'll cook the eggplant first. And then time to make like coffee. These are the beautiful flowers that I picked from the backyard garden. Then I put them on this beautiful vase. I am also toasting bread. I just sliced some oranges. These are Valencia oranges that I picked from the tree over there. This tree. And this is like so juicy and so sweet. Homegrown like oranges taste like super yummy. These oranges. I am going to harvest like dill for our eggs. There you go. Let's add the dill from the backyard garden. Here's our breakfast, the skillet, and then we have the toast, and then the Valencia oranges from the backyard garden, and we have coffee, and the gorgeous flowers are also from the backyard garden. Let's eat. Josh always go for the what are you having?
Oranges.
Where are those from?
My garden.
Yes. I just got back from the gym, and I would like to share with you this like sweat sauna jacket that was sent to me by Lasog. This is super duper awesome, especially now that the weather is colder. It will take more time for us to like sweat, whether we are at the gym or we are running outside. So this jacket, this is a sauna, like sweat sauna jacket, helps accelerate the sweating. This is made of polyester, super duper thin. As you can see from here, this is super thin, super lightweight. It has like a garter here, which I really like. Garterized here too, or more of has an elastic band here. Gives it like a nice shape. I love the stitching and then the reflector. So if you're running like outdoor, this is like so perfect. It has a thermal underneath, which makes you sweat faster. So for example, during summertime you work out for like an hour. During winter time it will take longer for you to like sweat the same amount of sweat. This is super stylish. As it doesn't look like a sauna like jacket actually. You can wear this all day. This is made of breathable material, so even when you're working out you are still like comfortable. And then this is also like odor free. And even here you see this, the zipper is like covered, which makes it like really comfortable when you are working out. It's not going to irritate your like, you know, your chin or your neck. And then so after working out, if you are sweating and you want to like take it off, it's so like, I'll look at the zipper. It's very smooth too. And you just like take it off, you just stick it there because it's like really like It's ultra thin. Oh, this is also a windbreaker and waterproof. I forgot to mention. So you can just stick it there. If you are working out or plan to work out, I would like to do it faster, go get this one. Josh helped me harvest the calamansi earlier today. I am preserving them. I am turning them into cubes. I just need to squeeze them onto this one and then pour on a cube tray, an ice cube tray. Otherwise, they'll just fall off the tree. But there are still a lot to harvest. Here's what I have made so far. Now I need to put them onto this ice mold. Here you go. I made a tray of this and then this one too. Let's cover this one. I love this faux pearl necklace that I got from Cosmos Lee. This is more of a 1920s retro, like long pearl necklace. This is about 55 to 60 inch long, and you can like style it in like many ways. You can do like 2 layers, and then you can adjust the length. So you can have it more of a choker, like, and then a longer layer like that, or you can have this in the middle like that. So you can adjust it, you can adjust the length. You can also use this more of like as a bracelet like that. And then some other people, they use this as like in their head too. Like I've seen them use it like that. And then I think they do something here, like a round thing here. I just don't know how to do it. But there are many ways to wear this necklace. I love that this is in pink, but this comes in many different colors. So they have this in green. I love aqua too, and they also have this in fuchsia. And if you are going to like more of a formal occasion and you need a fashion jewelry, then you can also get the white one. So if you're looking for a fashion jewelry, I highly recommend this one. This is super affordable, and look at the quality. Really nice. For dinner, I am preparing this hand-cut fries. I will cook this in the air fryer, and then I am boiling water here for the green beans and for the broccoli. And I have 2 beautiful ribeye steak here. Add more layer. Beautiful looking steak. Need a much wider tray. This is like the chopping board is too small for this too. Like steak. Beautiful. How's the green beans? What's it cheap?
It tastes good.
Here's our dinner: the steak, the green beans, the fries, broccoli, and then the wine. The wine is from Tablas Creek. We are a member of this winery.
Medium. To the chef.
Cheers! Cheers!
Salutations.
How's the broccoli, Josh?
Good morning, Irish and school community. On this Thursday of the 23rd week of Ordinary Time, we celebrate the feast of the Most Holy Name, Mary. We acknowledge all the gifts that God has bestowed upon Mary, and we thank Him for all of the graces received through her intercession and meditation. Our presider this morning is Father Martin. Please stand and join us in singing our gathering song. This is a day. This is. Good morning, parish and school community. On this Thursday of the 23rd week of Ordinary Time, we celebrate the feast of the Most Holy Name, Mary. We acknowledge all the gifts that God has bestowed upon Mary, and we thank Him for the graces received through her intercession and meditation. The side of this morning is Father Ethan. Please stand and join us in singing our gathering song. This is
I'm here at the nursery looking at some gorgeous roses. But I'm not buying roses today actually. These are very pretty. Two. This is beach balm blue. One is what is this? Full to partial sun, 6 to 10 inches tall. Spring and summer. These are beautiful. Is this Filipino? Double pink. Beautiful. This is so cute. Look at this froggy. So comfy. Oh, like water lilies are very pretty. Oh, they are gorgeous. Water lilies are $49.99. Oh, wow, this is good. This is so beautiful. Are gorgeous. I like this one. And purple too. Those are our pizza. The first one is Jack. That's my margarita. There you go. We have our pizza now for lunch. I love that store, Anthropology. I'm heading home. The flowers are so beautiful. And then the yellow hibiscus. I'm having margarita. Husband is having herbivore with arugula. Josh is having what are you having? Hawaiian pizza.
My own make.
Yes. We got some croissants from our trip to Paris Baguette yesterday, which we're having for our breakfast today. Coffee. Pretty. And here's our croissant breakfast. We're going to Jin Cook for dinner. It's a Korean restaurant. To that place, Jin Cook, Korean, authentic soul food. I'll scan for the menu. Then, in the back, katsu. Daddy said we're not ordering katsu. I think this one, the braised beef short rib, galvijim, braised beef short rib, vegetables and rice cake in soy-based sauce, served with rice. We'll have this one and then this one.
This one and this one?
Yes.
Right here, we're waiting for our panchan here at G.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here are the panchan. I like this rice cake. This is new. Now then,
Yeah.
is the tofu soup rice. Thank you. Ooh, that looks very yummy. Thank you. Braised beef looks very yummy, and the panchan.
Galit-galit muna.